That run of dried grass I pulled out from under this wall right there, this panel wall. So I need to get rid of all the grass that's inside that wall all along here, and then I'm going to put some caulk under there to seal that, keep from grass from getting under that, under that wall, behind that wall again. When I bought this house 20 years ago, there was a kiddie pool here. And when I first got the house I was remodeling, they either didn't have time or forgot to haul this thing away. And 20 years later, it's still here. Amazing. But today it's going to the dump. I'm about to make my 7th trip to the dump. And after this one, I think I might have one more. And then I'll be done. So in order to patch this hole here, I need to cut out a section of this paneling so I can work with the drywall. So I'll do right now. So in order to patch this hole here, I need to cut out a section of this paneling so I can work with the drywall. So I'll do right now. Got it.